Steve?
Hi, Jenny. Sit down, please.
What are you doing, opening a branch office?
No, saving my job. They moved this meeting up to tomorrow morning.
Don't you guys have computers?
Sure, so what?
Oh, I wouldn't even think of doing stuff like this without mine.
Well, thank you for sharing that.
Oh, really nice, Steve.
I'm sorry. Look, Jenny, if you can find me a computer and do this, or this, or this, I will buy you this entire restaurant and everything in it.
Oh, waiter.